My name is Adele and is my husband.
Jamshid.
Yes. And today we're cooking Persian orange chicken. This is a family favorite. Everybody likes it, except for vegetarian maybe. It's called Koresh Portugal. Koresh is stew in Persian and Portugal is orange. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but...
Yeah, that's Koresh de Portugal, yeah.
But the one I'm making is not actually Koresh because it's not a stew, it's baked. That's the way I like it. What we have here for the marinade is we've got garlic, minced garlic, the juice of lemon, orange juice, orange rind, crumbled stock cube, turmeric, paprika, and my favorite soy sauce. I put all the chicken pieces in. In Tehran, there is a grand bazaar. It's it's about 10 kilometers in length. We found this little restaurant, which is 3 floors high. I asked the doorman what's good in here in my broken Persian, and I asked him this and that just to stick a beak. And we tried this orange chicken called Koresh Portugal.
This bazaar in Iran is new for her. I took her there to have a look, and we end up with this food.
I cook the chicken, and he cooks the rice. He's the best rice cooker in the world.
In this recipe, she has used soy sauce, which is not traditionally used in Iran.
It goes well with his Persian rice, so it's got my Filipino thing in it. That's what happens with a lot of our dishes that we cook. It's like a combination of his and mine, and it's together. It blends beautifully. It's a little bit like our marriage, a little bit sweet, a little bit sour, salty. Combination, it's great sometimes.
Yeah.
So the chicken has been marinating for 3 hours. What we're going to do is we sear the chicken pieces in a little bit of oil. We're not actually cooking the carrots. We'll just cook it until it's wilted, not fully cook it, I mean. The carrots are just there, I think, for texture and color. So you want a little bit of crispness still. I'm just gonna put it in this plate and set it aside. And next I do the onions.
I am really surprised that she does Persian foods perfectly, and it looks that she came from there.
And now I'm ready to sear the chicken pieces on the same pan so that all the flavors of the carrots and the onion are there. I just put the chicken there, skin side down so that it's nice and crisp. I wish you were here so that you can smell the amazing lemon and orange smell, and also that saffron. It's so nice. The saffron gives it an earthy smell. It's very, very good. Put it in the pan, and now we're ready to be baked in the oven. But before we do that, I have to pour the rest of the marinade in for extra flavor, and also put the onions in that we cooked before. I'll just pop it in the oven. There you go. So put the timer in for about 30 to 45 minutes. You'll know when it's cooked because you've got this beautiful smell coming out of the oven, and you know it's ready. That's it. Come on, it's your turn.
Yeah, I am here to tidy up the chicken. But...
No, you're not tidying up the chicken. You're tidying up the mess. Off you go.
Okay.
He's really good at cooking rice and tidying up.
By the time that chicken is ready to eat, the dishes are already washed, ready to go.
While the chicken is cooking, we'll just prepare a really simple salad to go with the dish. It's called Persian-Shirazi salad. And all it is chopped up cucumber, chopped up tomato, Spanish onion. All you have to do is mix them all together, add a little bit of salt and pepper. And then when you're ready to serve it, you put the dressing in. Just lemon juice, a little bit of oil, a little bit of vinegar. It's not really traditional, the vinegar. It adds a little bit of sour. I like things to taste really, really strong and exuberant, and vinegar gives it that touch. And there you have it, a very colorful salad. We sort of know that the chicken is ready when you have that delicious smell coming out of the oven. Gorgeous, look at that nice color. Golden, delicious. Just checking that it's cooked. It's nice and juicy with a lovely caramelization on the top. And we've got the onions in there. It's so beautiful. Look at that color. And then what we're gonna do is put the lovely juices on the top. Pour it over on top of the chicken, not too much. We put carrots that we cooked before. Just put a little bit in there. And then because it's an orange chicken, some orange slices, just a couple. I've just grilled them before, just grilled them for a few minutes. It's just to have that grid marks on them. I think they look beautiful like that. If you don't want to grill them, it's also okay. And then to add a bit of greenery, we put just a little bit of greens in there. I'm using coriander. I've got coriander in there. Here you go. See if you like it. Is it better than your mom's?
You taste first.
No, you first.
Okay. Nice.
Good? Not just nice. Come on, give it to me.
Good.
Really good. There you have it, my baked Persian orange and saffron chicken and the Shiraz salad. I hope you make it and I hope you enjoy it. Trust me, it's absolutely divine.